7 intense moments when the same animal species fight each other. Watch what happens. In the wildlife world, competition for survival takes place every second. All animals that are just off guard for a few seconds will gradually become prey in the natural food chain or lose their territory or living space. Let's find out with 7 times animals in the same species fight for different reasons. The Canada goose, Branta canadensis, is a recognizable, large wild goose with brown plumage. It has a black head with a white streak under the chin and is commonly found in freshwater areas. An outstanding feature is that this goose is extremely aggressive and brutal. They are ready to attack any target in front of them. It could be cows, wolves, or even humans. In the video, 2 geese are fighting. It looks like the goose is protecting its territory from intruder. The mother goose is incubating the eggs, while the male goose is constantly on high alert to avoid bad guys who intend to steal the eggs. When another goose flew in with bad intentions, the 2 geese quickly bit the opponent's neck, while the mother was still incubating the eggs. In the end, due to the ferocity of the male goose, the bad guy had to leave without any victory. In addition to being highly territorial, Canada geese are very hostile to predators that often attack and eat baby geese. The pair of lions fought fiercely, and the Lion King seemed to lose ground. 2 giant grizzly bears were fighting each other for a salmon's hunting position at a waterfall. In the fishing season, it is not easy to catch salmon anywhere. This has caused many brown bears to have conflicts and lead to fierce battles over the position of catching fish. This battle has been very fierce. Then, both of them strangely leave. The video captured the images of 2 ferocious lions fighting right in the middle of a road in a national park in South Africa. A lioness resisted the approach of a male lion by slapping the male lion in the face with disgruntled roars. The video below has recorded the dramatic boxing of 2 giant bears. Two male giraffes are fighting for status, yet their fighting moves look like smooth, rhythmic maneuvers. The following video captured the moment of 2 male lions of the same bloodline, battling fiercely for territory dominance, and the battle only ends when one of the rivals accepts defeat and leaves. At first, the 2 male lions roar at each other before plunging into each other with their wide mouths and fierce roars. Although they are brothers, both male lions do not hesitate to show their full strength and use dangerous attacks against their opponents, making the battle even more drastic with slaps aimed at each other. The match ended after one of the 2 lions accepted the loss. It was chased by the victorious male lion for a long time. Luckily, none of the lions in the fight were injured too badly, except that the male lion's self-esteem was lost in the fight. The video below captured the moment two polar bears fighting under the cold snow. The polar bear is a large mammal of the carnivorous order, the bear family. They are near polar animals found around the Arctic Ocean and are the largest carnivores on land. As revealed by the explorers, these two polar bears are practicing and playing with each other, and they have no friction. The two bears screamed and bit each other's necks. They fight very fairly, showing off their strength and techniques, but do not hit the dangerous position and do not cause damage that can cause the opponent to die. Male polar bears often fight during the breeding season to draw attention from females. They also fight over territory or disputes over prey. Despite their aggressive nature, they sometimes share food with each other. The video below captured extremely dramatic scenes in a wildlife park in South Africa. Two female jaguars rushed into each other and fought fiercely, no different from two martial arts masters. It is known that the two jaguars have a dramatic fight due to a territorial dispute. In particular, this is not the first time these two female jaguars have fought for territory. This was the second time they decided to use violence to solve the problem. Despite seeing them fighting very fiercely, the two seem to not want the other to die. They have no intention of having a vital battle, but only to show off their abilities. Through battle, the more capable and the more stronger jaguar, it will be allowed to operate in the territory they contest. What do you guys think about scuffles within the same species? Please comment below to let everyone know. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to update and follow the newest videos. See you in the next videos.